If you're stabling on 21 Road, D-train closing the doors by the porter buttons. Normally platform staff would do this for you. Bravo Bravo 32 is a multi-spadded signal. Therefore, a coacting signal is provided. Please take extra care here. When the signal clears, proceed onto 21 Road. The maximum speed here is 10 miles an hour. As you approach Whiskey Sierra 1-3, you should start to slow down. When stabling at this signal, you should stop just over the diamond stopping mark in the 4-foot. This is just at the end of the walkboard and can be difficult to spot. Shut down and walk back through the train. When ground-mounted signal Bravo Bravo 7 clears, proceed to platform 3. The maximum speed here is 10 miles an hour. D-train closing the doors by the porter buttons. When shunt signal Bravo Bravo 8 clears with a Route 1 indication, proceed towards the shed at a maximum speed of 5 miles an hour. When entering the shed, sound a short blast on the soft whistle. Look out for the speed-controlled train stop. If the train is being stabled on the front of 25 Road, you must stop over the diamond stopping mark to the left of the track. There's another speed-controlled train stop here. If you're stabling the train at the back of 25 Road, you must stop right over the diamond stopping mark to the left of the track. When your train number appears in the number box, press the plunger to confirm what road you're on. Signal Bravo Bravo 28 Alpha is a multi-spatted signal and has no train stop. Take extra care, as a spat here could result in a collision. When this shunt signal clears, sound a short blast on the soft tone whistle and move along the shed at a maximum speed of 5 miles an hour. Make sure you check that the shunt signal Bravo Bravo 28 Bravo to your left has cleared with a route indication. In this case, the driver has been given route 2 for platform 2. Signal Bravo Bravo 261, mounted on the bridge to your right, is a speed-controlled signal, which should clear if your speed is 5 miles an hour or less. Be prepared to stop here. Signal Bravo Bravo 262 is another speed-controlled signal on the gantry over the platform edge, which again should clear if your speed is 5 miles an hour or less. Stop at the stopping mark.